value stream management is kind of the newest term for something that has been around for quite some time and in a couple of different contexts. So what originated as value stream management really came out of automobile manufacturing. So it was the process for managing the flow of work throughout a factory out to customers. And it wrapped up everything that it took to sort of build and deliver an automobile, all the way from the raw materials out to the customer buying the automobile and driving it off the lot. And it was really important to understand that whole end-to-end process to find out where the organization should target its efforts. And if you're going to improve something, you want to be improving the most critical bottleneck or the most critical constraint. Otherwise, you could be wasting your time on something that ultimately doesn't matter, doesn't actually impact the end result, which is delivering value to a customer. So right. Value stream management kind of arose out of this practice of looking at end-to-end processes of work and trying to find out where should we be focusing our attention, where could we be improving? And this has now sort of come into software out of a couple of different fields coming together. So we got really good at building software with Agile. We got really good at building and operating software with DevOps. We wrapped all that up in various different terms like software delivery lifecycle, ALM, application lifecycle management. And value stream management is really kind of connecting all of that evolution to the historical origins in this body of work that really traveled this territory before. A lot of what we're learning in software is coming from things that were already solved and already discovered in the real world. And we're starting to realize there's a lot that we can be learning. There's a lot that we can be connecting to in the physical development of products. Now in the digital space with a few minor differences, but there's a lot to learn. There's a lot to leverage from that prior knowledge that can be useful in software. And so value stream management is kind of pulling all that together and collecting all the good things that we know about what works in getting value to customers sooner and doing that most effectively